Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel at Alexandru. On this channel you will find clips from the following fields: cryptocurrencies, quality news, business and economy, money working, short video, funny moments, clips from different fields, relaxing moments, culinary recipes, places to visit. Stay like this but stay with me in this video clip and you will definitely appreciate what you will see at Alexandru. Wishes you a pleasant viewing. In the clip that you are about to see visibly on my YouTube channel, I will tell you, explain, show about details, special data information and news about Ethereum cryptocurrency. What is Ethereum, ETH? Ethereum is a decentralized open-source blockchain system that features its own cryptocurrency, Ether. ETH works as a platform for numerous other cryptocurrencies, as well as for the execution of decentralized smart contracts. Ethereum was first described in a 2013 white paper by Vitalik Buterin, along with other co-founders, secured funding for the project in an online public crowd sale in the summer of 2014. The project team managed to raise $18.3 million in Bitcoin, and Ethereum's price in the initial coin offering, ICO, was $0.311, with over 60 million Ether sold. Taking Ethereum's price now, this puts the return on investment, ROI, at an annualized rate of over 270%, essentially almost quadrupling your investment every year since the summer of 2014. The Ethereum Foundation officially launched the blockchain on July 30, 2015, under the prototype codenamed Frontier. Since then, there has been several network updates: Constantinople, on February 28, 2019, Istanbul, on December 8, 2019, Muir Glacier, on January 2, 2020, Berlin, on April 14, 2021, and most recently on August 5, 2021, the London hard fork. Ethereum's own purported goal is to become a global platform for decentralized applications, allowing users from all over the world to write and run software that is resistant to censorship, downtime and fraud. Who are the founders of Ethereum? Ethereum has a total of 8 co-founders, an unusually large number for a crypto project. They first met on June 7, 2014, in Zug, Switzerland. Russian-Canadian Vitalik Buterin is perhaps the best known of the bunch. He authored the original white paper that first described Ethereum in 2013 and still works on improving the platform to this day. Prior to ETH, Buterin co-founded and wrote for the Bitcoin Magazine news website. British programmer Gavin Wood is arguably the second most important co-founder of ETH, as he coded the first technical implementation of Ethereum in the C++ programming language, proposed Ethereum's native programming language Solidity, and was the first chief technology officer of the Ethereum Foundation. Before Ethereum, Wood was a research scientist at Microsoft. Afterward, he moved on to establish the Web3 Foundation. Among the other co-founders of Ethereum are Anthony Di Iorio, who underwrote the project during its early stage of development; Charles Hoskinson, who played the principal role in establishing the Swiss-based Ethereum Foundation and its legal framework; Mihai Alisi, who provided assistance in establishing the Ethereum Foundation; Joseph Lubin, a Canadian entrepreneur, who, like Di Iorio, has helped fund Ethereum during its early days, and later founded an incubator for startups based on ETH called Consensus; Amir Chetrit, who helped co-found Ethereum but stepped away from it early into the development. What makes Ethereum unique? Ethereum has pioneered the concept of a blockchain smart contract platform. Smart contracts are computer programs that automatically execute the actions necessary to fulfill an agreement between several parties on the internet. They were designed to reduce the need for trusted intermediates between contractors, thus reducing transaction costs while also increasing transaction reliability. Ethereum's principal innovation was designing a platform that allowed it to execute smart contracts using the blockchain, which further reinforces the already existing benefits of smart contract technology. Ethereum's blockchain was designed, according to co-founder Gavin Wood, as a sort of one computer for the entire planet, theoretically able to make any program more robust, censorship-resistant and less prone to fraud by running it on a globally distributed network of public nodes. In addition to smart contracts, Ethereum's blockchain is able to host other cryptocurrencies, called tokens, through the use of its ERC20 compatibility standard. In fact, this has been the most common use for the ETH platform so far, to date. More than 280,000 ERC20 compliant tokens have been launched. Over 40 of these make the top 100 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization, for example, USDT, Link and BNB. Since the emergence of play-to-earn games, there has been a substantial increase in interest in the ETH to PHP price. What is Ethereum Name Service? Ethereum Name Service, aka ENS, is a distributed and extensible, naming system based on the Ethereum blockchain. It is essentially the Web3 version of DNS, short for Domain Name Service. In its original state, a cryptocurrency address consists of a long string of numbers and letters designed to be read by computers. It may look like this: 0xDC25EF3F5B8A18699883388A28795FB2D695E, making it confusing at times to read, and in some cases even leading to loss of funds. ENS provides a solution to this problem of long and confusing crypto addresses by assigning human-readable names to machine-readable identifiers such as Ethereum addresses, metadata, other cryptocurrency addresses and content hashes. With ENS, the long address above could become something as simple as alice.eth, and you can receive any type of cryptocurrency or NFT via your ENS domain. ENS is based on two Ethereum smart contracts. The first is the ENS registry, which records three critical pieces of information: the owner of the domain, the resolver for the domain, and the catching time for all records under the domain. The second smart contract is the resolver, which translates the domain name to a machine-readable address, and vice versa. It is worth adding that in addition to integrating with ETH names, ENS also supports the most popular DNS names, including com, org, IO, app and several others. What is an Ethereum killer? Since its inception, Ethereum has maintained its spot as the second largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization, but like every other blockchain network that exists, Ethereum is not perfect. Notable, the legacy blockchain is plagued with high gas fees and low throughput of between 15 to 30 transactions per second. Although plans are already on the way to solve these shortcomings through several upgrades, many competitors have capitalized on this delay to offer crypto users cheaper and faster transactions. The term Ethereum killer emerged around 2016-2017 to substitute blockchains such as Cardano began to enter the crypto scene. In 2018, EOS made its debut as the next Ethereum killer, raising $4.1 billion from investors, the highest amount an ICO had ever generated. Since then, others like Tezos, Solana, Phantom, Avalanche and Binance Smart Chain have surfaced as possible Ethereum killers. Each of these blockchains employs a different consensus model to tackle Ethereum's PoW-induced limitations. For instance, Solana uses proof of history, PoW, while Binance Smart Chain utilizes both proof of authority, POA, and delegated proof of stake, POS. However, none of these alternative blockchains have been able to unseat Ethereum as the second largest cryptocurrency by market cap. Ethereum is also currently the largest blockchain for NFT trading activities. Stay like this but with me in this video clip and you will understand its potential. Alexandru, thanks for viewing. If you liked the video, don't forget